How to fix DPCQ execution timeout exceeded BSOD in Windows 11. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix this blue screen error. First of all, uninstall third-party application. Typically, third-party app like LD Player causes this error. So uninstall if you have installed it. For this, right-click on Start, select Installed Apps, look for LD Player in the list. You can use search box to find LD Player. This one. For this software, click on three dots and select uninstall. Again, click on uninstall. After removal, restart your computer and see if the blue screen error no longer occurs. If you have another installed apps like this, you can uninstall it and check if the issue is fixed. The next method is use clean boot. For this, click on search, type msconfig, click on system configuration, go to the services tab and check this box, the box for hide all Microsoft services. Click on disable all, then go to the startup tab here, click on open task manager, make sure that all the startup apps are disabled. If any one is enabled, right click on the program and select disable. You will find disable option here. Once all the programs are disabled, close the task manager and click on apply on the system configuration. Click on OK and click on restart. After restarting, the issue should be fixed. The next method is run SFC and DISM command line tools. For this, click on search, type CMD, right click on command prompt, select run as administrator. In the video description, you will find these two commands. Run these commands one by one. Copy the first line of command, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. Wait until it is 100% complete. Once completed, copy the DISM restore health command, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. Once completed, close the command prompt, close other running tasks and restart your computer. The issue should be fixed now. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.